Hatuna vipimo vya hapa karibu kwamba watu wakapime kama ile nani bado fluoride zinafanya kazi au imeisha. Hilo ndio tatizo tulilonalo kubwa kwenye mambo ya nani hii ya fluoride kwenye hii mitambo. Lakini kingine ni hamasa, yaani hamasa kwa maana kwamba kuna watu ambao kipato chao ni cha chini, wameshindwa kufikia zile gharama, kwa maana kwamba zile gharama zinakuwa kubwa, watu wenyewe kipato ni cha chini, kwa maana kwamba ingekuwa tungepata kwa bei ya nafuu kidogo, nafikiri watu wote wangekuwa wanazitumia, lakini sasa zimekuwa za kutumia na wale watu wenye uwezo wa juu kidogo.
In the region as a whole, the most common problem is dental fluorosis.
We look forward to partnering with our colleagues from Europe and other parts of Africa to make the project a success.
Today, through Flower project, the main results are linked to a better knowledge of the hydrogeological assessment of the 3 study areas, and an advanced and successful methodological approach was developed and applied.
We are involved specifically in several activities, and specifically about the use of isotope for several aspects, mainly to analyze to reconstruct the flow path and the groundwater circulation in that areas, but not only. We are involved also in the use some hydrochemical indicator and isotope tools to also analyze the relationship about fluoride and groundwater, and so try to trace the fluoride contamination path.
The role of my company in the flower project is that to characterize the hydrogeological situation of the area, that is the main Ethiopian rift, where high concentration of fluoride is reported, and finally to find a mitigation method how we are going to remove this fluoride and supply our people with fluoride-free water.
We test new innovative mitigation option for fluoride contamination in agriculture through trials in greenhouse, in lab and in the fields. We developed and tested in lab low-cost de-FLuoridation technologies for the purification of drinking water, and moreover a cost analysis is ongoing to evaluate the future step in terms of transfer of results from lab to market.
So we have different tasks in the work package 3. Task 1 is looking at the different materials, so we will be able to select among the geological, the inorganic and the organic materials, and find the best materials to provide for the defluoridation of water supplies. But also we have the work package task 2, which is looking at the LDH. This is being done by our partner at UNICA, where we expect also that the results obtained will be also used to come up with the other materials and select the best one to incorporate into the defluoridation prototype. We have the task 3, which is on the bone char, and this one will be currently in Tanzania. The bone char filter is on use in the study site, but it has some challenges that we hope through this flowered project we will be able to address. And lastly, with our partner from the HTE, we'll be able to develop the prototype, and then that will be used to provide to the people in the community to improve their water supplies.
Currently, we have developed that carbon, and we tested it for defluoridation, and we find that the material does not perform well in natural water, but it performs well in synthetic water with the fluoride level from 5 to below 5. And we have developed the electrode and tested its cyclic voltammetry and the specific capacitance. And we find that the material is capable of storing charge for capacitive deionization unit.
I'll explain to you the process of making a crab shell, calcium phosphate. So we begin with the shells, these are crab shells, and then we'll grade them. We get small sized grains, and then this we remove the calcium. We react this with the hydrochloric acid so that we get a calcium liquor, and this is the calcium liquor that we get. So this liquor is calcium chloride, and what we do now is to remove the calcium. We are going to determine the amount of calcium here, and we are going to use titration with EDTA. Then once we know the amount of calcium that is here, then we react it with phosphate so that we get the calcium phosphate from crab shell.
We tested an innovative material, is a calcium phosphate, that is able to remove fluoride from contaminated natural water. Our test showed that 1 kilogram of CP can treat 1,000 liters of water with an initial concentration of 30 milligrams per liter to 1.5. This material is ready to be used in a low-tech and low-cost device. And finally, we are ready to start the ground test at the end of September.
The aim of this work, of our work, is to remove fluoride from solution by using a synthetic material named LDH, an innovative material that can remove ions from solution at low cost and high performance. And
now we are here in Tanzania at the Nelson Mandela Institute to talk and search in a synergy team to how to resolve this problem, or to start to resolve this problem.
To compare our results and to test our materials with Tanzania waters to find the best and cheapest solution for this problem.
Yes.
Our hobby is make a startup that able to do everything technology. In Fluorid, we are here for develop innovative water filter for fluoride removal.
I'm glad to present you the de-FLuoridator prototype developed during the technology transfer phase of the WP 3.4 of the Fluorid project. This device was designed to optimize the performance of the reagent selected and developed during the research phase. This device is a lab model and can work with electricity provided by a small solar panel or manually. Other two prototypes are under construction for ground tests. Each device can treat 50 liters of water in 2 hours and can treat water contaminated with up to 30 milligrams of fluoride per liter, with an overall cost lower than 5 euro cents per liter.
Katika mradi wa fluoride, Profesa Alfredi Musuka amebainisha kuwa madini hayo yanatokana na volkano na kuwataka wataalamu kuongeza juhudi ya kumaliza tatizo hilo kwa kutumia malighafi zinazopatikana kirahisi katika mazingira ya Tanzania. Wataalamu wana nafasi kubwa.
The role of OSS as leader of dissemination and communication activities is to disseminate the results and the products of the project through exchange of experience workshops, regional interactive workshops, participation to international events, and also organizing awareness raising days at primary school and for students also.
I am at the moment coordinating the fluoride project, the Kenyan chapter. I came with my colleagues, two of them, to attend this conference. And as far as the fluoride is concerned, I've had some experience. I've been studying that for some time. And we are running the project in the Central Rift Valley in Nakuru County of Kenya.
We produce products such as flyers, comics in Kiswahili, and this is addressed to this specific target group, which helps to widespread as much as possible the outcomes of the project and explains the problem of fluoride phenomenon contamination and also provides solution to this problem. All the communication and dissemination materials are disseminated through the website of the project, but also through social media, and they consist of scientific papers, scientific posters, brochure, newsletters, but also videos showing the project activities on the field.
On June of this year, we performed 2 courses in Nakuru, Kenya, at 18 people for geophysical and geostatistical application. And in October, we will perform a geophysical survey in Nakuru area by utilizing electrical and electromagnetic tools, and also we will perform some training for the same people that follow the lecture in June. And we hope they enjoy our course, and we hope they will learn everything for doing well they want.
With this system, we organize a specific new activity of crowd-generating data that is a very useful tool to collect data from people, because we are really interested to involve the local population in the collection of data about water use, and then to use this data for analyze and build a local knowledge of, on different land uses, specifically connected with water contamination.
Hey little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go away? Leave you all alone? I got a desire